In this bonus section, we will discuss Bing Chat. It is a messaging service created by Microsoft and works the same way as ChatGPT. To use Bing Chat, type the name in your browser's search bar and click on Try Now. A pop-up will appear where you can ask any question related to creativity and balance. For example, you can say hi and it will reply with hello, how can I help you today? Suppose you want to buy a new smartphone for under 50,000 rupees and want to know the top 5 mobile phones based on Android 13. Simply ask the question and Bing Chat will provide you with the best results. Similarly, you can ask for the best Bluetooth speaker under 10,000 rupees in 2023. In case ChatGPT is unable to respond to your question, feel free to ask Bing Chat. See you in the next video.